Okay, here's an example of order and chaos. You see that circle dead center? Okay, so this signifies somebody's in here feeding, more than likely. It could be a motile bacteria, but it could also be a ciliate or a flagellate. So let's get a close-up view and see if we see anybody. Oh, look at that. Now, usually when I see the solution moving like that, I think ciliate. So let's see if we can find or see the cilia or the hairs. Okay, we're at 400. And I'm all the way up on my phone as well. Now, once I stop this and print it, or save it, I will be able to enlarge it yet again under photo editing. So let's just go real slow, up and down, and see if we can get the cilia moving. You know, because maybe it's a flagellate, but they usually don't move the debris like that. Not that orderly. They're kind of bumbly, as Elaine says. And who do we have up here? Is this anybody? Nope. But I just wanted to give you an idea of how to find these guys when they're tiny, is just look for order in the middle of chaos. There you have it. I'll get a picture of that fungi right below. I might as well do it now. Let's see. It's a nice piece of fungal hyphae. Ta-da!